If you have existing data in Azure Blob Storage that you want to use for model training, we provide an easy way to do so. Now, let's go through the process of connecting one to our Datature account. From your project main dashboard, select the Dataset tab. We are going to add a new set of squirrel images stored in our Azure bucket now. Click the Connector tab, select the Azure Blob Storage option, type in your preferred connection name, Azure Storage account, container name, and any specific prefix if you want to sync a selected folder. Now we'll set up the access and permissions for our Azure Storage. Copy the command provided, go to your terminal or IDE to run the command. Copy the information provided and head back to our Azure console to configure the IAM role assignments. Click the Access Control IAM on the sidebar, select the Role Assignments tab, click Add and add role assignment. Search the role based on the job function called Storage Blob Data Reader. Click Next, select Member and paste the Datature member information that you have copied earlier. Now go back to our Datature UI to copy the conditions and paste it back to Azure console by adding the role assignments condition. Click Save, Review, and Assign, and now wait for our role assignments to complete. After that, click Next and wait for our test connection to complete successfully. You can then now click Sync Now, and after syncing is completed, you can see that a new set of data from our Azure bucket has been successfully synced.